Hello everyone, welcome to Drodleper channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean RAM or memory on Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here, scroll down, then go to device care and then tap on memory and give it a moment. Here you can see we have total 6GB RAM and only 1.6GB RAM is available, and you can clean about 1.2GB of RAM. Now if you tap on clean now, and that will start cleaning RAM. Now give it a moment and it's done. Now you can see we have 2.4GB RAM available. If we go back, and here at the bottom you can see some other option which help you to optimize your phone better. And that is how you can clean RAM or memory on Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.